Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter again with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope you're doing well today, and thank you again for tuning in to watch this video. Y'all, today I have a really nice men's Coach body bag that I'm going to show you. It is marketed as a men's bag, but it can be worn by anybody. I don't really think there's sex when it comes to bags or fashion and things like that, but it is marketed as a men's bag. So it's a men's crossbody named the Finn Crossbody, and it's in this really nice Coach monogram print in a white. It comes in a few different prints. It also comes in a denim, a regular white without the monogram print, and then also I think a black color as well. So it's a really nice bag for a guy or a girl, whatever you are. But I did have to get permission to review this bag because it was a gift for my partner, but he did relinquish it to me for just a little while to be able to review for y'all. And it's near and dear to his heart because I'll show you why in just a little bit, but it is actually a reminiscent of a character from one of our favorite movies, Big Hero 6, if you've never seen that. Baymax is the character in that movie, and we love that movie. It's very, very nice. It's a very heartfelt movie, and now if you haven't seen Big Hero 6, it's a really nice movie. It's got a really nice heartfelt message, and I just love it. I think it's really nice for kids or adults, so do watch that. It's one of our favorites.
Are you satisfied with your care? I will always be with you.
I'm satisfied with my care.
But you'll see in a little while here why it reminds us so much of Baymax, because I call this the Baymax bag when I see it because it looks just like Baymax. So we call this bag the Baymax bag, and when you see this bag, you'll know exactly why we call it that. So first, y'all, I'm gonna show you the Finn Crossbody, the Baymax bag, and then I'm gonna show you a couple items and I'm gonna unwrap them that I've had sitting here from Coach that were accessories to go with my loop tote. I got the accessories to go with this bag and thinking that it might actually fit, but I'm not really sure if it is, but let's unbox them together and see if they actually match. So it'll be a shock if they do, because this bag right here was a little bit of a different color when I got it. I really thought it was gonna be a lighter color. But before I show you these bags though, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And y'all, if you're new to my channel and you wanna subscribe, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button today and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on my next video as well. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I also post high quality images of a lot of the stuff I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there and some shopping links as well. And with all that out of the way, if everybody could just take a moment to give this video a like before you leave, it really does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. So give me a thumbs up before you go. And let's get on with this little review, and I'm gonna show you the Finn Crossbody Baymax bag first, and then we're gonna unwrap those other two Coach items. So let's go ahead. All right, y'all, so first off, here is the Baymax bag, the Finn Crossbody. And if you see this bag, you'll be like, why is this Baymax? If you know Big Hero 6, you'll know exactly why we're calling it Baymax. So, and I'll show you a little example in a minute, just in case you haven't referenced the movie that we're talking about. But it's really nice. I love the monogram print on it, and I love the shape of the bag. And like Big Hero 6 or Baymax, this right here, this part right here looks just like his eyes. So that's why it really is reminiscent of the Big Hero 6 Baymax movie. So, but I do love the monogram print on it, and I think it's a really nice size bag for a man. And it actually has a really nice long strap, which I'll show you in a little while. I'll demonstrate and put it on so you can see what it looks like. So if you know somebody that might like this bag, it is a really nice crossbody for either sex. But let me go ahead, I'm gonna show you a 360 of the bag, and then I'm gonna show you some close-up details. So here is the front side of it. And moving around, you have your side piece there. There's a little luggage tag with Coach on it. Moving to the back, it's the same here with that nice monogram print on it. And then there's the other side there with your little leather piece that attaches the strap. And then on the bottom, you just have a black leather piece there that's nice, feels good too, it's soft leather. Okay, so that is the 360 of the outside the bag. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you some close-ups of it, and then I'm gonna go inside the inside of it and I'll show you some details there. All right, moving in a little bit closer on the Baymax bag, y'all. Look here at the gunmetal hardware on it. I love that. It's a really nice big zipper pull here, and this really nice gunmetal, heavy chunky metal too. I like that. And it has a really nice black zipper here in this little pocket in the front, so you have a lot of room to store your stuff in there. Very nice little pocket there. Okay, so that is the pocket. Moving to the side here, you're gonna have a really nice black leather strap. This leather on it is really soft. Then you have your little luggage tag that came with it in black. Of course, it says Coach on it there. The back has nothing on it, it's just blank on the back. That's how they usually come. And then going down, you do have kind of a black seam there that you can see the glazing on that meets the bag together there. And then on the bottom there is the black leather on the bottom. Very nice stitching. Coach has really been doing a really good job on their bags lately. Here's the other side. Same thing going down, and then your leather piece there. And it has that gunmetal buckle on the strap and an adjustable strap. The strap is really nice. It's kind of a thicker strap, so it doesn't feel flimsy like some of the silky straps I've had in the past. It does have a little keeper on the back side of it there as well. And I'll adjust it out for you and show you, exactly how it fits and everything. But it is a really nice strap on this bag. So very nice Coach. And then on the top here, let me show you the top. Your leather piece on the top here goes down to the nice chunky zipper for the top zipper. And there is that zipper. Same thing over there. And then let's open up the bag. All right, and so on the inside of the bag, you do have this really nice textile gray material that's really pretty. And in the back there, you have this brown leather with your Coach tag on it there, really nice. And then you have a zipper pull here that's also in brown. There is the zipper pull on it, and it has a nice zipper pocket on that back side there for you. And the inside of that is also a gray textile material on the inside of that bag too. So a really nice interior on this bag. So like I said, Coach has really been going all out with their bags lately and doing a really good job on the construction of these bags. So a lot of room down inside this little crossbody. So very nice, Coach. All right, y'all, so that is the interior and the outside of this bag. Let me show you a couple of accessories that we had to get because it's Baymax. And here is the first one we got. I've actually ordered another one from eBay that has not came yet, and it's the little Baymax with Mochi, which is his little cat on there, that haven't came yet, so we're still waiting on that. And then here's the other one here. This one's really cute too. So that's got the little heart that he's holding. Like I said, this is such a cute movie, y'all. You should see it if you haven't watched it, but as you can see, as his eyes look there, it's definitely the Baymax bag. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments. All right, y'all, now that I've shown you the Coach Baymax bag, let me go ahead. We're gonna wrap these other two items I have from Coach and see what I got and see if they actually go with that other loop tote that I have. All right, y'all, here is the first item that I've ordered here that I haven't unwrapped yet. I've had these a couple of weeks. So let's get into these and see what they look like. These are going to be the navy blue whip stitch. This is, I think, the passport cover here that I ordered. So let's see what it looks like. I got these thinking I would use it on my trip to New York. It's really nice though. I like the color, but like I said, I'm not sure if this white here is actually going to be too light for the loop bag that I have, because it's more of a off-white color in that cloud color. But there's the back of it. I do like the baseball type stitching along the edge of it, so really nice. It's got the Coach logo there, and I love that navy color. I'm a really big fan of navy. All right, and on the inside, you have several pockets here. You can put your passport in the side there and hold it. And it also has a zipper pocket on the inside here too. Let's see how that works. Okay, the zipper's pretty nice on it. 6 credit card slots on this side and that side together combined, and then you also have a place back here you can put stuff, and then here. So that's 1, 2, then the 6, and then on this side you have a slot for your passport to slide into, and you can hold it there. So a really nice little passport holder. I'm really happy with it, and I'll probably just keep it because it was very cheap. It was on sale, so I'm going to keep that. And then secondly, y'all, here's the other item. Now this one is the matching luggage tag that I got, and this is what I really wanted to put on my bag. So let's see how it looks here. Okay, and it's really big, so I like that it's a big tag, so that's good. I pretty much like everything bigger, I guess because I'm such a big guy. But there is the whip stitch on the side of it there. Very nice. And then of course it has your Coach logo on the back in that navy. So really nice thick buckle as well in a black color. Let's see what the inside of this looks like. So it snaps open out of it, and there is the Coach insignia on there. And it has this little clear area where you can put your luggage information in there or whatever you want to. So really nice, and I like that it snaps too, so that's nice. So let's see what it looks like up against that loop tote. All right, y'all, here it is against the loop tote. Y'all tell me what you think about this on this loop tote. Is the color too light for that color there? What do you think? I'm not really sure. We'll see. All right, y'all, so that's my other two little items from Coach. I love it, the passport holder and the luggage tag with the whip stitch. Really nice, and I'm honestly gonna keep these because I think they're really nice, and I think they were a really great steal as far as the price on them from Coach. So that's those two. And now let me go ahead. I'm gonna do some mod shots with the Baymax bag on. All right, y'all, here is the Baymax bag. And this is what it looks like over your shoulder. It's a really nice size bag, and this is going to carry a whole lot. So he's probably going to use this on our trip to New York City coming up in September. I just think it's really cute, and it really, really looks like a Baymax to me. When you see it, if you know, you know. Okay, let me extend it out and show you what it looks like crossbody. All right, y'all, so here it is crossbody, and it has a really long strap on it, like I said, so I'm really happy with that. It's hard to find the longer straps for men on these bags. So this one actually extended all the way out is almost a little bit too long for me, but it is adjustable, so I can adjust it and make it a little bit shorter. Let me show you what it looks like at my height. All right, so here it is adjusted, and this is more my height here. Comes down to my waistline, and I think that's a really good fit on this bag, but I'm really happy with it, and I would love to have one myself. I may get one in denim, but for my partner, he loves it as well, especially since it has the reminiscence of the Baymax on there. So there's the little Baymax babies, and of course this bag, y'all, it's Baymax. Y'all tell me what you think about this bag in the comments. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this really nice Finn crossbody or Baymax bag, and these two items from Coach, the whip stitch line here in this navy color. So I'm really happy with all of these items. I hope you enjoyed my review on them. I hope I gave you enough information on these bags. Like I said, Coach is really stepping up their game these days, so y'all definitely check out Coach. They have their outlet and their retail site as well. So, and they have a big drop going tomorrow, so definitely check it out. Y'all, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to watch my video again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to give me a like before you leave. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on my next review. Bye.